So, let's take a look at the answers for page 29, grammar part. Complete 1 to 4 with a, an, or the, or the. Let's take a look at number 1. Have you heard of this joke? The answer is a hamburger and a French fry walk into a coffee shop. Very strange. French fry and hamburgers walk into a coffee shop. Okay. The waitress says, "I'm sorry, we don't serve." We don't serve. Serve what?
I don't know.
Food here. So you don't need any article for that one. So that's number 1. Number 2. I just read an article because article comes with an A, which is a vowel. So you gotta use an. An article on the or the internet. Okay. About how eating strawberries make you look younger. Wow, really? Eating strawberries can make you look younger. The other day, somebody at the cafe says that drinking coffee can actually make you younger. So maybe if you're home, avoiding the coronavirus, you can try out different food and see if it really makes you look younger. But most of you are really young though. Okay. Let's go on to number 3. I'm sure there's something wrong between us because we never go out to dinner or to the movies anymore. Number 4. Did you watch the game last night? I can't believe that the referee didn't see that it was a penalty. Okay, please highlight. Take out your highlighter. Referee. Let's say it again. Referee.
Referee.
And penalty.
Penalty.
Okay, referee is what we call 裁判, and a penalty is 罚球, okay, or 惩罚 penalty. Okay, great. Looks like we finished page 28 and 29 finally. And we're going to move on to page 30 and 31. As for today's exercise, you can choose some vocabs from these pages to put in your class log. And as for the content, you can talk about the stereotype between man and woman and the discussions that we've actually read about in the book. Now, on page 30 and 31, before we hop into the exercises and the reading, I'd like you guys to take a look at the board. I hope you can see the board. Can you see the board? No?
Yes.
Okay. Let's take a look at the exercises for today. You can write this under the content part of the class log. Number 1, what is your ideal girlfriend or boyfriend like? Because today our topic is about males, females, gender, okay, the difference between men and women. So I figure you guys can think about this. Okay. Ideal girlfriend or ideal boyfriend means 理想的男朋友女朋友. So what is your ideal boyfriend or girlfriend like? And I'd like you guys to name 5 to 6 qualities. Qualities means like their personality, 特质, like what qualities do they have? For example, you can say you like talkative people, a person who loves to talk, or you can talk about a boyfriend that's very outgoing, or you prefer boyfriends that likes to stay home, or girlfriends that likes to stay home, or girls that likes to cook at home, or likes to dress up. So all kinds of qualities you can think about. And then you can write them down under the content part of our class log today. Okay, the second part. Do you think men and women have equal rights nowadays? Equal rights means 权利. Do you think it's the same between men and women? Equal rights. Okay, please explain. So you gotta give us something that you can think about. For example, you can talk about the political sense of men and women. right? Or education sense of men and women, or the equal rights of men and women in a marriage, or something like that. And then I'd like you to write 25 words to explain your ideas, your opinions, just your personal opinions, not going anywhere. I'll be the only one to see it. So you can talk about it freely and write about it freely. So that's our topic today. Alright, now if we go back to page 30 and 31, you will see there's a green exercise page over here called Men and Women Stereotypes or True. Okay? So let's read it through together, everybody. The first one says, women worry more about their appearance than men. Please highlight appearance. Anybody know what it is? Appearance means what you look like. For example, you're fat, or you're pretty, or you're ugly, or you're disgusting, maybe? Okay, so appearance means what you look like. It's a noun. Number 2, women spend more time than men on social networking sites. Okay, let's highlight again. Social network. 社群媒体. 社群媒体. Social networking sites. For example, your favorite IGs, Facebook, Twitter, all sorts of things like that. Okay, number 3. Men talk more about things. Women talk more about people. So if you're a man, you like to talk about Ferrari, is that right? And if you're a woman, you like to talk about people. For example, my boss, my husband, my boyfriend, my professor, my English teacher. Right. Okay. Men are more interested than women in gadgets like phones and tablets. Please highlight gadgets. Anybody know what gadgets are? Gadgets are like electronic devices. Okay, for example, an MP3 player, or iPad, or laptop computers. Nowadays, basically, it's smartphones. That seems to be the mainstream. Okay, and tablet is iPad, basically. 平板电脑. Okay, tablets. The next one, women are better at multitasking than men. Multi in English means, I believe you guys remember. Okay, you forgot. Multi means many. Tasking means doing work. So multitasking means you can do a lot of work at the same time. You can answer the phone, you can cook, you can sing at the same time. Okay, something like that. Alright, let's go on to the next one. Men find it more difficult than women to talk to their friends or family if they have a problem. It seems to be right. Yeah, it's very difficult, or you don't often hear men complaining to their family members about their life, right? Women spend more time than men talking about celebrities and their lifestyle. Celebrity, highlight. Do you guys remember that word? It means famous people, okay? Men are more interested than women in power. Women are less interested in sports than men. Men worry more about their health than women. Is that right? Something to think about. So next to these statements, I'd like you to write agree or disagree. If you agree with the statement, just write agree. A-G-R-E-E. If you disagree, just write D-I-S-A-G-R-E-E. Means you don't agree with this statement. Okay? Alright. Now, let's continue and take a look